Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today let's try to demonstrate 5 classic fire making techniques. We're going to use the ferro rod. Let's ignite some denim because you're always going to have clothes on you for tinder. Then we'll flint and steel ignite some ash paper towel. Then we'll go ahead and fire roll some of that paper towel with wood ashes. Do a hand drill, my never miss yucca spindle, on this highly degraded spalted white oak. And then I know where some wood is at. Let's go ahead and make up a bow drill set and knock out a bow drill friction fire. You've seen me do this before. And we'll line up all these frays and ignite those. And it can take a long time for this flame to show itself, so we'll go ahead and move on to the flint and steel ignited ash paper towel. Bayite keyring ferro rod and a stainless Mora companion. Now it usually doesn't ignite in one strike like that, so we got lucky this time. I'm going to move you in a little bit closer. I'm going to work about a tablespoon of ashes into this paper towel using my nails, ripping the fibers open. You've seen me do this 2 or 3 times in the last week or so. But you really have to process this well. There's no need to rush it because you want to expose all those little wood fibers. The paper mill has already done most of the work for you. There's lots of microscopic fibers, but then when they make it into paper towels, of course, it's all sort of solidified. So take your time. Let's try that. I can't tell if I have ignition. I'll have to, yeah, we got it right here. Two places. No telling when I got an ignition. I think that was 10 strikes. So I just love that technique. That is a great technique. All right, let's fire roll some paper towel now. Make sure you can see it. Doing very well on my paper towel fire roll. This is going to be the 4th try right here. Let's go ahead and use 3-ply instead of the 2-ply I've been using. See if that makes the difference. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of ash. Work it in with your thumb real well. About the last 1.5 inches of it. Roll it up good and tight. All right. The other 3 tries were with 2-ply. I think 3-ply would be better. Let's try that. Wipe my brow off. You need to keep doing forward strokes. Try to get that leading edge to lay down. I believe we got it that time. Four tries. Well, we got it. Let's see what angle we have here. Let's go back up to about right here. All right, let's get set up for hand drill now. All right, 3rd try on the hand drill. Four tries on the fire roll, 3 tries on the hand drill. Let's see if our bow drill can cooperate a little bit better than that. Alright, the last time we made a bow drill set, we made it out of branches that fell off of this water oak tree. That pile of branches there. But I found another good branch under that water oak. Let's go look. Look at how straight this piece is right here for a spindle. So we'll cut this off for the spindle and part of this butt end here for the fireboard. We have some whittling to do. Let's get busy. All right, a lot of this piece that I was going to use for the fireboard is twisted, so I had to cut a lot of it away. Ended up with a short piece like this, but it should work. And we'll go for the burn-in and the ember at the same time. That'll conserve some of my energy. And we'll start whittling on the spindle. All right, spindle turned out great. When I whittle a spindle down and it's true, but I've ended up with too big of a diameter, I'll just step down to the diameter that I need on the very end, which is about 5/8 of an inch. And the wood is a lot harder than what I thought it would be. But we're going to make it work. Good thing about hardwood is you can get lots and lots of embers out of the same divot. Let's go for it. All right. Water oak on water oak, fatwood bearing block, pine needles for a tinder bundle, and I may put some of those branches on. Let's go for it. The notch is full, but I needed to take a little break. And put a new divot in it. See if that'll make it easier. Go with all new dust. And the wind is blowing on me. Let's see what we can do with that now. have that wind blow on it. It'll use it up. I don't want to use it up, I want it to coalesce. And so it'll have to sit there and cook for about a minute. Let's see if we can save it. Alright y'all, do me a favor, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. That was almost a repeat of the hand drill, wasn't it? With my ember trying to fly away in the wind.